Ready for a tropical twist on fried rice? This is Rice Colada, the island vibes in one pan. Hey guys, welcome back to Adijat's kitchen. First, let's make the pineapple bowl by cutting the pineapple in half, then gently scoop out the pineapple while creating a bowl. Be careful not to poke a hole in the bottom. Set the scooped out pineapple aside. We will need the juice and some chunks for the rice. Now let's make the coconut milk. Deshell the coconut, trim out the hard back, cut it into pieces, then ground it with a blender and extract the milk. Our next step is to parboil the rice with water for 5 minutes, depending on the quantity of the rice. This method is just to reduce the starch in the rice. And here comes the first twist. Pour in your chicken stock, pineapple juice, coconut milk, and add salt to taste. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box of this video. Stir together properly, cover and let it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes until the rice has soaked up all that sweet creaminess. Note that the rice is still not fully cooked at this moment. Now let's prep the proteins and the veggies. First is to fry the eggs in oil. Pre-cook the chicken in oil. Add paprika and a pinch of salt to taste. If you made it to this point of the video, please encourage me by subscribing and your notification on so you don't have to miss any of my videos. Thank you. Note that the chicken is not fully cooked yet. Now let's pre-cook the veggies by adding cooking oil, garlic and ginger, habanero, and saute it for a minute. Then go ahead and add the chopped onions and saute it for another 1 minute. Now add the chopped carrots and green peas, saute it for about 2 minutes. Then go ahead and add your bouillon. Add a tiny bit of the coconut milk, stir it in and let it cook until it is fully absorbed. Now add your chopped bell peppers and saute it for a minute. Go ahead and add a few chunks of the pineapples and saute it for a minute, then set it aside. It is time to incorporate all the ingredients. First, let's start by adding cooking oil to your pan. Add garlic and onions. Saute for a minute. Then add the pre-cooked chicken and cook for a minute. Now add the pre-cooked rice and cook for about 3 minutes while stirring to prevent burns. And here comes our final twist. Add more of the coconut milk, pineapple juice, and chicken stock. Stir it together properly. Then go ahead, cover it and let it simmer on a low heat for about 3 minutes. Now add your pre-cooked vegetables and stir together properly. Continue to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes while stirring. Now go ahead and add your eggs for the final touch. Here it is, guys. This rice colada is packed with juicy chicken, crunchy veggies, creamy coconut milk, and that sweet pineapple twist. And this is your perfect island getaway in a bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bon appetit! Bye!